winter is coming.
Our country's about to turn into the Great White North, but before that happens, it's gonna get frozen black. Or at least I am. And I am really excited about this. Not just because I'm a huge BMW fan, but because this is one of the rarest M cars on the planet. Only 20 exist on the entire continent. How I managed to get a hold of one, we'll never know. And if I'm honest, I'm actually pretty nervous. Not because I'm afraid I'm gonna crash, but because if a bird manages to poop on it and we don't clean it off right away, it will destroy the paint and void the warranty. And, well, a lot of birds around. BMW say the sculpture-like character of frozen black paint highlights the athletic contours of the M3. My girlfriend says it looks like the Batmobile. Only Bruce Wayne wishes his car was as badass. And if old Brucey wanted to get one, he couldn't. Not because he's a fictional character, but because they sold out in 22 minutes. So, let's see. 81,825 times 20 turns into $1.636 million. Not bad for 22 minutes work. Some other math you might be interested in? 0 to 60 in 4.5 seconds? 0 to 100 in 9.5? Top speed, limited to 155. Without that limiter, about 180. When it first launched, the M3 had a high-revving 4-cylinder engine. This one has a 414 horsepower V8 that revs even higher, 8,400 RPM from a V8! The power is incredible, and it sounds like a horny tiger. And I know that sounds like hyperbole, but anyone who's heard two tigers going at it will know what I'm on about. Now the Frozen Black comes with the competition pack, which gives you lowered suspension, some gnarly tweaks to the stability control, and it is so good. To yourself, there's no way I could go through a corner that fast. No problem. You think, cannot brake that late? Sure. Oh my god, the brakes are amazing.
Whoa. I didn't think you were gonna make that.
Oh, you can make it. A lot of it comes down to that M dynamic mode for the stability control, but even with that switched off, it's effortless. And I know it's corny to say that this is a precision instrument. That's the sort of thing car reviewers say to make it sound like they know what they're talking about. This car has been likened to a surgeon's scalpel on more than one occasion. And the thing is, it just is precise. I just think it's maybe more of a batarang. In addition to the matte black paint, the Frozen Black comes with black tailpipes, black GTS rims, red brake calipers, and red stitching on the interior, and launch control, which I thought we would demonstrate against one of our production cars for maximum effect. Okay, step one. Hit this power button. Yeah, it's got a power button. It's pretty awesome. Hold this button down to turn off the traction control. Put the transmission into maximum attack mode, and then push the stick forward until the flag comes up on the Oh. I've already lost. Let's do that one again the old-fashioned way. Oh my God! Oh. That was much better. Some things you gotta do yourself. You know, launch control is a lot like artificial insemination. Yeah, it gets the job done, but who wants to have sex with a machine? God, it's fast! There is a reason why the other automakers try to top this thing. It's just as good as it gets, folks. Just is. But there is a problem. The owner's manual states the BMW M3 is not designed for use in competitive motorsport. The problem is it used to be. I mean, that was the whole point of building the M3 back in the 80s. And the new one's supposed to have 3 turbochargers, one powered by electricity. That's 3 too many. Winter is coming. This could very well be the last uncompromised, naturally aspirated M3. And they're all sold out.